What if I told you a faceless YouTube channel could earn you $25,000 a month, created entirely with free AI tools? Hi, I'm Alex from AI Smart Hustles. I launched my first channel using only ChatGPT, CapCut AI, and free stock libraries. And in just 30 days, it hit $500, then $700, and now it's over $1,000 every single month. Here's exactly how I did it. First, I picked a hyper-focused niche, AI money hacks, because that's what people are searching for right now. Then I used ChatGPT to analyze trending video topics and write a hook-driven script in seconds. Next, I fed that script into CapCut AI Video Maker to auto-generate stunning visuals, AI voiceover, and captions, all in under 2 minutes. I optimized each upload with SEO-rich titles, descriptions, and tags, like make $1,000 with AI in 24 hours and top free AI tools 2025. Finally, I set up TubeBuddy's free automation to schedule uploads and A/B test thumbnails without lifting a finger. Inside 30 days, my channel went from 0 to thousands of subscribers, and payments started rolling in. If you want the full step-by-step breakdown on how to replicate this for yourself, drop hustle in the comments and hit subscribe. I'll send you my exact CapCut AI prompt, title templates, and thumbnail formulas, so you can build your own $2,000 month AI channel. Because in 2025, the real hustle isn't working harder, it's hustling smarter with AI. Follow AI Smart Hustles. Let's make your first $1,000 online together.